As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's just damp. I've already turned this shirt inside out because this is going to be an ice dye. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to pick a corner. This is the part I'm worried about creasing, so I don't want a crease falling in there. So I was trying to decide if I wanted to go all the way up like this or not, and I don't think I do. I think I'm going to go like this. And you can run your hand across that edge and tell that there's not a crease forming. Right. So now that I've done that, I think I'm going to accordion fold this direction. This might be a bad idea, but we're going to do it anyway. These accordions are about an inch or so, maybe a little more. I thought about folding this on itself, but it's way too thick to do that. So there isn't really a center point anymore because of the way it was folded. I'm basically just going to create a center line. Ooh, I don't want to quite go that direction. I'm trying to keep in mind where my line is. I've got an edge of the shirt here that's the bottom. Let's go ahead and do what I was doing. We'll do that and then space this out for a couple of inches. Alright. And now I didn't mark the bottom side. I'm going to try and keep straight. Yeah. I lost the edge. There it is. Alright. Did you see it? Alright, so let's go ahead and start this. Okay, so there's that. Off to dye. So the colors that were asked for this custom piece was deep purple, a deep red, which I'm going with an oxblood, and black. So I'm just going with better black, and these are all Dharma colors. So I thought about if I was going to go between the three rotating, or if I'm just going to alternate between the red and the purple, and then do something different with the black, maybe soak the black. But I think what I'm going to do is a rotation with the black just on the line and then rotating the colors. We'll see if this works out. Normally I would do that with a liquid, but I'm going to try doing that ice dye. So let's get started. Alright, we'll let that melt. Yes, you're right, and probably already saying it to yourselves. I was supposed to go every other. Then I got distracted because of some discussion in the background, and I did 2 in a row, which means I had to fix that pattern, and the only way to do that was really to continue it all the way through. So on the other side I'll reverse it and the reds become purples, and we'll go from there. It was that or start over, and I'm not starting over. Alright, I need one more piece of ice, a little piece there. Maybe. Alright, I'll let this sit until it melts through, and then we'll go to the next side. Alright, it's melted through, so flip this over. And we'll do the next side. Alright, I'll let that sit until it melts through and take a look at it and see if anything needs to be taken care of. It's been about 18 hours, let's do the washout. Alright, let's take a quick look. So I'll wash this up and then we'll take a final look. Alright, so here's the final shirt. Here's that part, and then there's the bottom. So I think it came out pretty good. I don't think there's anything I would have done differently for this one. This could have been a little tighter in here, but that's usually the case for those smaller sections. It's really hard to get them tight and to keep the lines in place. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. So, until next time, thanks for watching.